Hi everyone, welcome to your 6th Java tutorial. Today we're going to be learning how to get user input in Java. To get user input, first we have to go above the public class user input and type import java.util.scanner. We're importing the scanner class, which means that we're allowing that package to be used in our code. So then to instantiate or create a new scanner object, we type scanner input, I'm just naming it input, you can name it whatever you want, equals new scanner system.in, semicolon. This is creating a new object that we can use to get input from the keyboard. We can get keyboard input from ints, doubles, and strings. So to input an integer value, you can do int x equals input.nextInt. NextInt is the method to get an integer value from the keyboard. So when we run this, it leaves us a space to type some number, so I'll type 100. And it doesn't do anything with that number because we haven't asked it to do anything. So above that, we can do system.out.println, enter an integer. And then we can do system.out.println, your integer was plus x. And then when we run this, enter an integer. I'll enter 23. Your integer was 23. We can also get user input as a double, so we can do double x equals input.next double, which is the method to get a double from the keyboard. So we can do enter a decimal, and your decimal was plus x. So when we run this, enter a decimal, 10.9. Your decimal was 10.9. We can also input a string, so if we do string str equals input.next, this will allow us to enter one word. So if we do above that, system.out.println, enter your name, and then under it we do system.out.println, your name is plus str, and then when we run this, John, your name is John. If we want to input an entire line of text, we can do next line, and we could change this to enter a sentence. Your sentence is, so I'll run this. I am coding keyboard input. Your sentence is, I am coding keyboard input. There is one problem with the scanner class, however. If you try to input an int or a double, and then you want to import a string after it, it skips that. Like this. If we do int x equals input.nextInt, and then we do string name equals input.nextLine, and above that we do system.out.println, enter a number, and then under that we do system.out.println, enter your name, and we run this. After we input the number, it's going to skip the name. To fix this, we have to clear the keyboard. So what we do is we type input.nextLine and not assign it to anything. So now when we run it, enter a number, I'll do 120, and then enter your name, John. There, now it works. The same problem occurs with doubles. .next double. But input.nextLine just fixes it and goes to the next line. 100.4 John. Well, that was it for your 6th Java tutorial. Please like and subscribe and turn on notifications so you know when I upload a new video. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.